Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw from Exness to the bank account in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come here on exness.com. Afterwards, simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, when you log in into your account, you just have to select that particular real account of yours from which you want to withdraw your money. So over here, as you can see, I have this real account available. So you need to simply click on the option of withdraw right next to the account. Afterwards, you are going to see a bunch of different payment methods. So as you can see, I have a bunch of different cryptocurrency methods available. But if you scroll down a bit, you are going to see the transfer options like between your accounts and to other user, and you are also going to see the bank account withdrawal option over here if that is available in your country or in your region. So currently for my region that particular option is not available, but in your region if that particular option is available, you just have to select that, provide your banking account details, and simply follow further on screen instructions in order to withdraw your money. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.